Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you. Charms reading for this week, friends. Yes, this is for the week of 21st September to the 28th of September, but you can watch it anytime, friends. And this is a charms reading. Yes, as you all requested, always, this is the charms reading. Friends, do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share, and please. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And if you have already subscribed, many angel blessings. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate, it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading, although this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime or come back again to watch it for confirmations or understand deeper meanings of your life. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. So, uh, for the Hindu Urdu versions, join our new channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi, friends. Yes, and let's take a deep breath and relax. Today's choices are some beautiful animals. Yes, relax, take a deep breath, and happy birthday, Libras. Happy birthday if your birthday is coming, Virgo Libras. It's the Libra season, so wonderful time for all of us. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose option 1, this beautiful crow. Option number 2, this beautiful parrot. Option number 3, this beautiful cow. So take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your option. Also, friends, you can choose more than one option, so that's also perfectly fine. Let's see for those who chose option number 1, how your week will be from, how this week will be for you in love, work, and career. For those who chose option 1, the crow. These are your advice. And this is your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. Let's see your cards. The Three of Cups, very nice. The Two of Pentacles. The Devil, ooh. The King of Rods, the Three of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles, and the Moon. Wow, friends, I definitely feel because you have the crow, you have chosen the crow. This is a very important week for you because we start the week with the equinox energy on the 21st, on the 23rd, 22, 23rd is the equinox. At the same time, Sun will move in Libra and Pluto will, sorry, friends, Saturn will go direct this week at the end of this week. So definitely, ooh, sizzling week for you. So first things first, I see that some of you, some of you could be having a, you will be receiving some good news this week. There will be some sort of a celebration or get together, or you will be meeting your friends or family. I don't see it will be a happy, I guess, it may be a happy event or it may not bring you happiness, but the gathering will happen. Social gathering will happen. Your friends coming over, or you meeting your friends, or you spending more time with your family, or your sisters, your cousins, your girlfriends, or if you are a man, your friends, you are spending more time there. But some of you may not enjoy it. I don't know why, because although this is a very positive card, because of the moon here, I feel that you may not enjoy it. People will want you this week, people want to talk to you, they want you, you know they are your family wants you, at your work people want you, everybody wants you, but you may feel drained by this energy because your emotions are very high. Your emotions are very high this week. Also, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, sorry friends, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, a very strong Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or Aries, Leo, Sag person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. You are dealing with someone like that. I also feel, friends, this week your focus on work will be tremendous. You will be a workaholic, you will work all night, all day, and you will be obsessed about either some person or your work. I do feel you really want to achieve big things this week. You want to, create big things in your life. You have big dreams this week, and you don't want to settle for less this week. So this may make you a bit obsessive, and you have the moon and you have the crow, so be careful. I also feel in your love life, you may, someone is constantly thinking about you, talking about you. This person is obsessed about you. This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, someone who likes you, who have dated you, or they have a secret crush on you, or they know you through common friends. They are talking about you, they want you. This person is obsessed with you, and they just can't tell you. You and this person could, I friends, if you are married or if you are single, you may end up into a secret romance this week. Your emotions are very, very high. You may feel very intoxicated with someone or some work or some situation. Also, I feel someone else is intoxicated with you. So be careful, because it's the crow's energy. Be careful, balance yourself. Also, I feel you will not be happy with too many people around you, because they will drain you. People are talking about you, your friends, your family. You may feel very unhappy about that, because you feel like you it feels like they are not happy, you see. You may have to go to a party, or friends or guests or relatives may, you may have to attend a phone call which you may not enjoy, with friends, with family, or a group chat or an office chat which you don't enjoy, but you have to do it because you have to do it. I also feel someone who has put you in a third party just can't get over you. This person will be coming back towards you. They will talk to you. They will want some forward progress with you. They will try to win you again, because this person can't get you out of their mind. They want you now. I also feel this person lives at a long distance. They are not in contact with you. And this person will be someone you may have worked with at one point of time, or you studied with. So they are trying to get information about you from their common friends. So keep an eye on that. This person wants you back, and big time. They are keeping an eye, talking about you. I see this is a busy week for you, very, very busy week for you. Work and career wise, you will be achieving a lot. You will be very clear on what you want to achieve. You will be working with people, or making new friends, or making new contacts, so you can expand your business or your work. But there is gossip, friends. There are things which are people hiding from you, so you have to be careful. There are things which people are hiding from you. I also feel something, uh, trust issues may happen this week. I will take a clarifier here, because let me just grab my cards. All right, let's see what is this devil about? Please clarify. Treasure Island, see? You are a treasure, friends. Everybody wants you this week. Everybody wants you. You are the treasure. That's why they are talking about you. So some of you may actually feel like, people are not understanding you, or they are talking, or they are too much demanding for your time. So it is because they see value in you. They are talking because they see value in you. You have to become very bold. You have to ignore some people, just turn your back on them. I do see that happening. I do see you will be very successful in your work, in your career, in your education this week. Your results will be coming out. You will celebrate for that. Happy, happy. Yes, some good news is coming, friends. And the most important thing I feel is that some things will happen this week which will try to pull you down. Like you want to fly, but some things will pull you down. But I would advise you not to indulge in them, not to get affected by it. Be like this warrior, strong, confident, and keep moving ahead. Don't let it affect you. Stay positive no matter what, because this is going to be very important week for you. Because once the Saturn goes direct, it will bring you a lot of good news. It will bring you happiness, and all these people who are trying to go against you will be with you, suddenly. So some celebrations are coming. Your creativity will be very high. You will feel more hardworking, you will want to overachieve things. Peace, yes, happiness is coming. Messages of peace are coming. I do see an apology coming. I do see someone who put you in a third party. I also see some friendships have broken in the past, but they are coming back to you now, or some friends are talking about you. Let me know if you want me to do that reading, what your friends think about you, because I think a lot of people are talking about you, at least this week, absolutely. And some good news is coming. So let's see your extra advice. Pleasure, divine goddess. Enjoy yourself, friends. This is your week. You are working hard. You will find success at work, and I do see that you may get worried about people around you or what they are saying, your friends, your family, but don't let it affect you. You are this goddess or this god. Enjoy that. I think this is your week to be selfish about yourself. Go for it. I would suggest you to go for it. Be selfish, be stay aware. Stay aware. There is the crow. Let's see your advice. 7 chakra archangel Uriel. Definitely, friends, important messages will be coming your way. I see through signs. You will get some important messages or insights or clarity about your life path or your life, your work, your career, your love life. So, friends, stay open and don't get affected by the people around you. Some information that you need is coming, and it will come through unexpected ways. So keep your mind open. We will see from the charms also. Let's see your advice. Transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. Oh my god, you are changing big time, friends. You are changing big time. Some of you may actually will want to relocate, or you are making big plans this week for shifting, relocating. You are changing big time. The Saturn moves going direct will really change your life, because Saturn is the planet of destiny. It is the planet which, when shifts or goes direct, rarely it goes direct or retrograde. So when it happens, it actually shifts your life goals, your life path, your life choices, your friends. It's like reversing the dial. So yes, big things are coming. Let's see your charms, friends. Let me pull a romance angel's message for you, because I feel love is important. uh, if you are married, you may become a little obsessed about your person, your husband or wife, because or their family will become a little obsessed about you, like everybody is talking about you. So your emotions will be high. A celebration is also coming, maybe a anniversary, friends birthday, your husband's wife birthday, or your own birthday is coming. So enjoy that, friends. Be selfish this week. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic person. Yes, friends, someone is coming back to you, or the person that you are already with, that person is the one for you. Yes, you have already met the right person. So, yes, let's see for option number one how this week will be for option number one. Messages are coming, friends. Messages in a bottle. This also reminds me of emotions, emotions being high. Wow, you have X and RX. RX could also be a doctor. Doctors generally write this RX before they give the prescriptions. So maybe some of you are attracting a doctor or an engineer, or maybe you are a doctor or a healer, a spiritual person, or maybe you will work in those areas or find work in those areas, healing, being a nurse, doctor, spirit, yoga, fitness, messages in a bottle. Someone's good name could also be R and X. An X person is also coming back. Let's see. See, this is the hat. Yes, someone is very close to you. They are very emotional about you. They have childhood friends could also be coming contact, or childhood memories will be on your mind this week. There is the car here. Can you see this car? Beautiful car. Definitely, someone is moving towards you. I see you also moving somewhere, changing your maybe routine you are changing, or you are just traveling, or maybe this person is traveling towards you. There is this flower. Yes, success in your work is coming. And look at this, you have a golden owl. Look at this. Wow, friends, you have to stay positive and keep your eyes open, because you have so many messages of news coming in. Crow, 7 chakra, owl is here, moon is here. So keep your eyes open and look. Oh my god, this thing dropped out. Saturn. Oh god, Saturn is moving direct, friends, and I'm keep telling you this again and again, right? And here is the confirmation. Wow. Again, the owl is here, and this is gold and silver. Definitely, friends, your maybe some of you are going to dealing with a twin flame relationship or an important relationship which is going to be changed for the better. Maybe you are going to meet someone who is going to be your life partner, or you are going to connect with your life path. So big changes are coming, friends. Stay positive. House, yes. Money issues will be resolved. Don't worry. Boxing gloves, yes. There will be some sort of a conflict or argument, or um, someone, people want to control you this week. I'm sorry to say, but your family, friends, you will feel pushed and pulled in different directions. There is the energy of competition, winning, but you can rise above it. I told you, don't let it affect you. People will try to bring you down. Don't let them. Focus on your pleasure. The numbers which are important are number 23, number 44, number 22, number 1. Wow, so these numbers are important: 23, 44, 22, 1. Number 1, teacup, there is the cup, yes. You there will be a lot of people trying to reach out to you, asking you for a coffee. Maybe you will go out and have coffee or some celebration with your friends. Maybe it's your birthday or their birthday. I also feel you will want to enjoy your cup of tea or coffee alone because people are draining you this week. Pawn, I think you will work very secretly this week without telling others what's on your mind, and it will be a good strategy. Wheel of Fortune, luck is coming. Key, something is missing. That information will be coming towards you this week. There is Lord Ganesha, money issues, prosperity, career issues being resolved. You will find some missing information that will help you for your career. There is also this beautiful heart, and something is written on it. I don't know what's written on it. Forever, made forever. It's something is written, made forever, something like that. Forever, made forever. So definitely someone wants to be with you forever and ever. Again, there is this coin. Definitely, friends, this is like money coming your way, or you getting new ideas about your career. Again, there is an owl. You have 3 owls. All 3 of them are different. Look at this. Never in a reading all 3 owls have come. Look, unbelievable. Dragonfly, yes, see, there is this energy of the dragonfly. Changes are coming, transformations are coming up. You may see a dragonfly or a butterfly also. And there is this leaf. Don't let small things affect you this week, friends. Small things can affect you. Don't let that affect you. Saturn's energy is there. Saturn will be going direct at the end of this week. 3 of Swords, someone has hurt you or someone can hurt you this week. 10 of coins, yes, your focus is on family, on money, on building your future stability. 2 of coins, here it is. Look at this. Definitely, friends, this is a busy week for you. You're busy. Kingfisher, yes, prosperity is coming. Ganesha, Lord Ganesha is also there. Prince of Cups, you could be getting a proposal or new friendships from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Yes, 2 of Cups. A beautiful relationship is coming, friends, your way. It could be a friendship, it could be a colleague, it could be someone who will be your lover. Cat, be like the cat, friends. Be like the cat. Enjoy yourself. Don't let people affect you. You are extremely powerful. That is why everyone is affecting you. Look at this. This could be the one. You are the one. And water. Definitely, friends, your emotions are high. Creativity is also high. The moon's energy, water energy. So, ooh la la, what an exciting week for you, friends. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, friends. Let me know if this reading resonated. Click the bell icon and click all notifications so you get the notifications whenever I post. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. And for those who chose option number 2, this parrot, this beautiful cute parrot, let's see how this week will be for 21st to the 28th of September for you. These are your oracle messages, your extra advice. Let's see your cards. Then we're gonna look at the charms for you also at the end of this reading. I will also be pulling some romance angels messages. Let's see. Wow, 3 of Swords. Ooh, starting this week. Finally, Magician, that's better. The 2 of Swords, Swords energy, Queen of Swords, Knight of Rods, the Hanged Man, the 7 of Pentacles, the 9 of Wands. Whew. Whew. Friends, I see that, you are. Friends, this is a powerful week for you. Why? Because you are manifesting. This is the week when you are focused on manifesting, on changing your life. You are extremely sure of what you want to change, what is not working in your life, and you want to change it, you want to fix it. Also, I feel you want to create positive changes in your life. You are done with this energy of heartache. You are done with this confusion. You just no longer want it. In fact, you can't take it. You are trying to manifest. You are trying to manifest something beautiful in your life. I see some of you are trying to manifest a new love relationship, a peaceful love relationship. Some of you want peaceful work environments. Some of you are manifesting more financial security this week. Some of you are manifesting a new job or success in your exams. I think you are manifesting peace in your life and security in your life in all areas. But you are feeling sad this week. You will feel a little sad. Why? Because you feel like your manifestations or your wishes are not coming true. You feel hurt. You feel confused. You don't know what else can you do to change your life, to make it better. You know where you want to go. You know what you want to do. But still things are not shifting. Why? You are frustrated. You are hurt. You are confused. You don't know what else can you do. Friends, the main thing I would suggest you is this week keep your patience, because this is the week. It is not that things are not working in your favor or things are not moving for you. It is just that it is a matter of timing. See things from a new perspective. It is very necessary. This is your week to stay patient. I know you don't want to do that, because even I don't want it, because look at this year 2020. We have all been patient for so long. How much more patient can we? But friends, the main thing is that you are already progressing on the right path. Don't let this hurt or this self-doubt stop you. Just let it go for now. Ask or pray what you want and then let it go. Why? Because you want money. It is coming, friends. It is coming. In fact, I think if you are looking for a job and it has not yet manifested, it is coming for you, and the job with a better pay than you expect is coming. So stay patient. If you are in business and it's not going well, keep working at it. Things are going to shift in the future for you, or very, very quickly, or very soon. So keep at it. Don't bring self-doubt, or don't get discouraged. I also feel that if you are very close to achieving your goals, friends. You are very close to reaching your goals, but you may need to have a little bit of patience right now. At least this week, you will have to be patient. Keep working on what you are doing. You are doing exactly the right things. If you are manifesting, you are on the right path. If you are moving out of a heartache or a broken relationship, be easy on yourself. You are manifesting a new person. It is coming. Don't give up. Don't give up. You are very close. I also feel that there you had been through a heartache in a broken relationship, or you are stepping out of toxic relationships, or someone who was in double minds from with you. I see you have moved away from them, but it still hurts you, and you are like, why? Why? Because friends, let it go for now. Forget it. A new person is coming for you. I see an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person coming for you now in this week. Maybe you will meet them now or very soon after this week. But these two people are coming for you. They will help you to ease or come out of this heartbreak. They are your answer to your prayers. They are your manifestations. I also feel the person who will be coming towards you, this person will be extremely cooperative. They will be very kind. They will be very passionate, loyal, and there will be an age gap, but you two will get along well. They will understand where you are coming from, why you are so strong, why you are so independent. If you are a woman, this week you will feel very strong, very independent, very bold. And some of you, even some of your family may say that you are too independent. Some of your partners, maybe if you are married, your wife may say you are too independent, too bold. But you know what you want. You are fearless. You see, there is a difference. There is a difference, friends, in being bold. And there is a difference in being fearless and being over ambitious. I think what you are is you know what you want. You are fearless. You know you deserve it. But you are not being over ambitious. Don't let that. People will talk about you, friends. I'm sorry to say that because there is the parrot's energy. So, you will be making some tough choices this week, and people will talk about it. They will say that you are very strong. They will say you are very over independent. They might say uh, you are over ambitious. No, I see what you are doing is you have done your work, friends. You are very you know your value, and there is nothing wrong in accepting your power. I also feel, friends, some of you are doubting you will get this money or this job or this career success or you will get a new lover. Don't doubt it, friends. Please don't doubt it. You are on the right path. You will achieve it no matter what anyone says to you. I am here, Magic Venstero. I am here. Me is here. All of us are here. We are with you. We are behind you and with you, along with you. So don't doubt yourself. Be patient with yourself. Give things some time. Be flexible. Let me see what else is happening. I do see that someone from your past is thinking about you. Someone who has put you in a third party, or you may feel like someone is putting you in a third party. They are hurting you this week. Someone someone who was someone has kept you waiting, and that has caused you a lot of pain, or someone may keep you waiting this week and it will hurt you because they are not deciding about the future of this connection, or they are not. And if this happens, if they keep you waiting, you will block them, you will decide to move ahead, and that person will be like, oh, you are so sure, you are so bold, you are so quick. No, I think you are doing the right thing. You know what is right for you. You will stand up for what is right for you. It's a very powerful energy, friends. It's very powerful. In fact, you will be very tough on yourself. You will not wait for people. I see you blocking a few people this week because they might hurt you. I see that you will be saying some truths which might hurt some people or their egos, but don't worry. And also, you may be a little tough on yourself, friends. So be easy on yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that. What's going to happen this week? Clean it up. See, you want to clean your life. Number 21. You are done with this mess. You are done with indecisions. You are done with people who want to waste your time. You are done with people who just talk. You are done with waiting. You want quick results. You want to move ahead. Yes, you are cleaning up your life. You are very close to achieving a goal. You are very, very close. Unfinished Symphony number 10. Oh my god. I do see that music will help you, and music will keep you stable and very positive this week. Also, I see that you will attract more musicians, artists, creative people. These are the people you should interact with this week, or someone, you should make some new friends which are creative, or maybe listen to more music or comedy shows because it will help you. I do see someone from the past will want you back, but you may block them again. If they behave in the same way, you will be like, what is going on? WTF, you will like, ooh, oh God. Maybe if there is, if I do see a singer or an artist, poet, etc., coming towards you, trying to win you. Imagine all the people living together. That song from John Lennon, I think that's your motto of this week, because that's how you feel. You feel, very broad and very independent and very strong, very strong. Imagine whatever you imagine, you will achieve it. Trust. If you want a relationship or marriage, you will manifest it. Look at this. You are very close friends. Don't doubt it, please. Give it some time. I know it is very tough waiting more, but you are very close. Look at this. It's just you are 9, just the next is 10. So you are very close. Let's see your extra cards, then we'll look at your charms. Solitude, higher self. Yeah, you want to work. You may feel a little alone this week because people are not understanding you, they are not supporting you, be it friends, be it family. You feel a little alone, or you may want to work alone because it is your higher self telling you, that yeah, you are trying to manifest something, so you want to work alone, or you will not accept anyone who is wasting your time. Caring connections. I know you are feeling alone, friends. I know that. I understand. There is a lack of support around you, understanding. But, friends, you are very close to achieving this caring connection. Someone is coming. This Aries, Leo, Sag, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They are coming for you and they are going to sweep you off your feet. Your advice for this week, fellow travelers, support is all around you. Don't doubt it. You are not alone, friends. You are not at all alone. We are all with you, and parrots live in communities. They live in large groups. Where I grew up, there were like so many parrots. Oh my god. There were like tons and tons of parrots, red and green. And it was beautiful, but they always support each other. They have each other's back. They can fight for them, for their loved ones, their little ones, parrots. So you are going to meet your tribe. You are going to meet the people who are perfect, new friends, family, a lover, maybe in your job. You're going to meet the right people. It's just a matter of time. Hang in there, friends. Let's see for option number 2 how this week will be for option 2. Ooh, I see N. Wow, this in number is number 14 and number N. That's interesting. Maybe it is important, number 14, and maybe N is for November, or it is a name, NA. Very little alphabets. Let me see if I can get any alphabets for you. NA could also be not available. Maybe you are like someone is not available to you. It's making you frustrated. So I do got some. Again an N. Nan. So maybe some of you are missing your mother, your granny, or someone from your childhood because you feel connected with them and you are right now needing some support. Pineapples are about reconciliation. Focus on the sweetness and focus on happiness. This bead is about imagination. This bead is like imagine and you can achieve it. Number 14 is there. There is on the dice number 6. Yes, love is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. Love and support. People who will support you. Strawberry, passionate connections. Yes, passion will be coming your way. You also feel very passionate about certain things. This yellow card is about positivity. I also feel yellow is your lucky color this week. And there is this teacup. Wow, this came in the first pile also. I feel this is the time, There is only one cup, so it is like you are missing the other person, you are missing. Someone is missing you. But remember, it is like unfinished symphony. People are coming back. People come back. Wow, this is the lady with the water plant. Yes, you are working on your goals, your career, your hobbies. You will be successful. Don't worry about it. You are going to get the missing information. Something is coming your way. This key, which will unlock new doors for you. It is coming. There is also the leaf. Leaf is like don't focus on the past. This is the past energy. Crown. Yes, someone is something is will be crowned, you know. You are going to be successful in your job, your career, your love life. Yes, you will achieve it. You have achieved it. You will be very soon very successful. Some of you want famous, world famous, maybe you want to be, you will be, it's your destiny. The tree of life, yes, you are going to have a family, you are going to build your roots. There is the star, snowflake, wishes coming true, a fairy tale. Oh, bicycle. And this is, you know, this is that little bicycle that kids drive, you know. So yes, yes, friends, things are moving slow, but remember they are moving. So that's the main thing you need to keep in mind. Things are moving, and here is the time. Yes, timing is with you. Some of you are like, we are losing time to get married. We should get married. We should have been with a baby, because this also reminds me of a baby. If you want to have a child, yes, it is coming soon. Don't fret about, don't get upset about it. Lucky Clover, yes, money is coming your way. Absolutely. Peacock, it is your time to come out in the world and show yourself. Shine. Shine, friends. Show yourself, show your true colors. Here is also the peacock. I feel right now, wherever you are, people don't really understand you or support you. You are like alone. Here is this card, solitude. But friends, don't worry about it. Keep shining. It doesn't matter. New people will come, they will support you. Your path is blessed by the angels. Look at this. And here is this energy also. Don't let small things affect you. Iron is by someone wants to fix a relationship. Yes, they want to fix a relationship. November is important. I did say November, 14th of November is important for some of you. November is important. Five of here. Yes, someone has cheated on you, friends. Someone has hurted you. Three of Swords. That person is thinking about you. You are also thinking about them. Two of Ears. Two of Ears. Here, Two of Swords. You are confused about the past, friends, but don't worry, it happened for a reason. Fated. Things were fated, that is why it happened. Mouse. You feel like someone is not taking charge, someone is too much of a coward, too much weak, but you are the eagle. I also feel don't doubt your strength. You are very bold, you are very confident, you can achieve anything. Seven of Air, yeah, be careful, friends. Someone competition's energy is there, so people can hurt you by their competitive streak. Red, be passionate, be bold. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person. There is also here Aries, Leo, Sag is important. Three of Wands, future. Yes, you are moving forward, friends. Things may seem slow this week, but you are moving forward. Absolutely. And don't doubt it, friends. You are very strong, and I really give you high fives for that. So that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who chose option number 2, this beautiful cow, let us see how this week will be for you, friends, for the 21st to the 28th. This is your advice and extra oracle messages. Let's see how this week will be for you. And this is a charms reading. I will be pulling your charms at the end of this reading. Your cards are Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups, beautiful, the Lovers, the Six of Cups, the Justice, the Ten of Wands, and the Page of Cups. Oh my God, friends, this is beautiful. Your focus is on love. Your focus is on relationships this week. Whether it is self-love or the love for something you like or someone you like, you are focusing on love. Absolutely. There is a new start of love coming your way for some of you. I see it is two ways. Some of you will be starting something new, like a hobby or something which will make you very excited and you will fall in love with it, or you will enjoy doing it, like painting, arts, or crafts, or something like cooking or communications, I don't know, you will fall in love with a hobby and it is something you used to do as a child and you will feel very happy. I also feel some of you are going to get some proposals or a new start in your love life or friendships, because people from your past are coming, or people from the past are on your mind. You feel very attached to them. They feel very attached and loving about you. The Six of Cups, yes, a soulmate is coming or is on your mind. I do see that a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be important to you this week. A Cancer, or you may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you this week, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel you both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Look at this. You both are very emotional. Wow, this is an emotionally fulfilling week for you. Very emotional and happy, balanced week. I see that some of you are working very hard, you are just working, 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 and life has become dull for you. But this week, you will get some time off to do something that you enjoy, to talk with people that love you, or reconnect with friends from your past, your childhood, or some of you will be attracting a deep, romantic, passionate relationship, or your existing relationships will get very passionate. I also feel, friends, some sort of a balance will come this week for you. This is also some justice coming your way, some karma coming your way, good karma, good things coming your way, and things balancing out. Like, I see you had been working too much. So you have not been having any free time. If you are married, you were looking after your kids, your family, you were tired, you were spent, but this week you can relax, you can enjoy. People, you can do things you like, you can talk to your friends, you will be making new friends. I do see a proposal coming your way. If you are already in a relationship, things will get deeper. Love will flourish, love will blossom, passions will be high. Someone is very attracted to you this week. It is someone you have known in the past, so a past lover could be coming back because they love you, they feel very attracted to you. I think the conversation will start from a picture. Maybe you will post an old picture or they will share an old picture, and from there the conversation will start. Love is the main theme, friends. What you love, who you love, and what makes you happy. And this is your week to enjoy it, because you are like this cow who is like very nurturing. So this is your week. You can take off and enjoy. This is your week where you go in on a beach, and enjoy, relax, do nothing. That's the energy, and this is earned. You have earned this time out. You have earned this happiness. You have earned this romance. You have earned this attraction. I also feel in work or career, you will be getting some choices. Like, you will be doing something you enjoy, rather than, you will not worry too much about money or anything of those. You will be getting some choices, like, starting a job that you love, or you will be doing something that you enjoy in work and career. If you don't enjoy it, it will feel like very tough. It will feel like a load, a burden to you. And I feel like, you have done your work in the past. So a promotion can come your way, or maybe a raise or some extra money could come your way. So this will make you happy. Like, yeah, this will make you feel excited, because this is your reward. If you are a student, yes, you will be clearing your exams, you will be having good news. I do see love proposals coming your way. In fact, two love proposals coming your way. You may have a crush on somebody, so you might talk with them. So yes, that energy is there. This is all your good karma. This is your good karma coming back. And health will be better, friends. Your health will be better this week if you relax and enjoy. If you are working too much, you may feel very drained. What else will happen this week for pile number 3? Higher power. Yes, see, the gods and the fate are, destiny is bringing you something absolutely amazing this week, friends. And you will feel very excited. You know this is going to happen. You know it. Your intuition is telling you this is coming, this new start in love, work, or money, or in your love life. If you are married, your passions will rise, your love for your husband will rise, not for you. Yes, I do feel, some things, something has not yet happened for you. But I do see it will happen for you very quickly, this Ace of Cups. Let's just clarify, not for you. Truths be told, yeah, someone was rejecting you because they were putting a mask. They were just ignoring you. They just were lying to you. Number 14, number 6. 6 could also be a June or July, June month maybe. So that's important. Someone was really, someone was not telling you how much they love you, how much they care for you. They were wearing this mask. Now they are removed and truths will be told. I do see that some of you will be attracting new friendships also. Some friends like you, or some friend has a crush on you. They want to tell you that. So a lot of things are happening. You may also like someone and you were pretending to be their friend, but you feel this extreme sexual chemistry with that person. It could be your boss, your senior, or someone you work with, or someone that's very exciting. Look at this person. Very exciting. Let's see what else will happen this week. Go the distance, yes. There is a lot of passion and emotion in this week for you. You want things will be moving very quickly. Week will be over before you even know it. Time to go. Yes, you are moving ahead. Even if you don't know where things will lead, you will still, talk to new people. You will still take that charm. You will still take that chance, and you will do something that you enjoy, cooking. Some of you will be doing some photo shoots. Some of you may get some one who will photograph you or something, and it will lead to a new project. I do see you making some art, creativity, or photography, food, recipes. Whew, it's a good week. Let's see your advice. Partnerships and love. See, your focus is on love, your focus is on happiness, on self love, on friendships, on who loves you. And look at this, Archangel Raphael, number 38. Yes, friends, things are healing for you big time. If you are worried about someone's health, don't worry. Archangel Raphael is helping you, and all your relationships. This is your week to enjoy, friends. So don't worry too much and enjoy what's coming. Let's see your advice. Valiant courage. Take action with passion. Look at this. Time to go. Go the distance. It's time for you to take the next steps. It is time to follow your heart. It is time. This week is for you to do things which your heart love and enjoy. I know some of you enjoy us, Magic Wednesday Tarot. I see you binge watching us this week. Maybe I definitely see that happening. Option number 3. What's gonna happen for them in this week? Option 3. Oops, I dropped a charm. Let's see which one. It's the cherry strawberry. Ooh, so your alphabets are N. Lots of N's today. And look at this. Oh, another N and a crown. So maybe November is going to crown you. Look at this. A success is coming. Wow. I also feel this is like new, N-E-W, although it's not there, but new. And then could also be like 9. So yes, you are very close to achieving a goal. Nenny could be a name, Nen could be a name. This is the alphabets N-N-E-N. Wedding ring, yes, friends, you are going to get a business proposal or a wedding or a marriage. It will happen soon. A commitment will happen. Oh my God, this is like peace coming into your life, this white bead. Peace and prosperity and happiness. This is like love, sweetness. For you focusing on sweet things, happiness, you will have a sweet tooth. You will eat a lot of sweets this week, apple. So yeah, do eat some fiber also, friends. Don't just eat sweets. Strawberry, passionate connections. Yes, someone is lusting after you. Oh, friends, oh my god, yes. See, again, this red is about passion. Be bold, friends, be bold. And look at this electric guitar. Who you are going to attract a musician, you are going to date a musician, you are going to yourself learn some music, art, craft. And this music sign again, friends, music is important for you this week. I see you have a crush on someone, you are going to talk with them, or a very exciting musician, artist, singer, anchor, model is falling in love with you, or you already know them. Oh my god, this is exciting. I'm super excited. This is the clover. Yes, this is your lucky week, friends. You deserve the rest coming your way. And here is the leaf. So I would say some things, this leaf is like this 10 of wands to me, that you are worried about nothing. Don't be worried. Take it easy, flow with the flow. What else? This tree of life. Yes, your future is secure. No, not to worry about it. There is this marijuana weed, this weed leaf. I feel like, happy. What makes you happy? That is your focus this week. And this is the lotus. See, spiritual awakening, spiritual progress. Lotus is a very spiritual flower. It is about crown chakra. It is about opening of your chakras, healing, happiness, better health, higher love, spiritual union. You have this rainbow. Yes, friends, see, your wishes are going to come true. You have a diamond. Yes, you are the diamond for someone. And this is the eye. Keep your eyes open. New love is coming your way. And here is the dog paw. Wow, this is the dog print. Dog's, you know, hand, or what you say, paw. So I do see some of you could be getting a new pet, a dog, a cat, or some of you may meet someone who has a dog, a cat, or a pet animal. Lord Ganesha, the elephant is here, so luck is with you. And keep your eyes open and ears open. There is going to be success for you. And there is this leaf again, so don't worry about little things in life. The king of Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Here is the Knight of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Neptune is important. Yes, some things are not clear to you, like where things will go in the future, but you are not worried about it now. You are like, yeah, you are safe. You feel safe this week. Four of Years. You are easy, relaxing, taking your time because you have done your work. So success is definitely yours. This crown is yours. So friends, that's it for now for this week. Do subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.